Morning, guys. We have another car here. Customer complained rear wiper not working. So let's diagnose it and repair and fix. So let's try to verify the customer complaint first. So I'm gonna turn on the rear wiper. That's high, but our rear wiper is not working. So let's see if it's the motor or maybe it's a circuitry problem. So first we'll have to remove this panel. So there's 10 mm bolts in here, and there's screws each side. There's four of it. So with this kind of tailgate, it's a power tailgate, so we have to be careful. We have to remove the trim piece first, and we can pull down the whole rear tailgate trim piece. So let me zoom in. No zoom. So this is our rear wiper motor, and let's see if we have. So there's only 3 wires there, so that should be easy. So let's see if it's a switch problem or a motor problem. So just gonna back probe it. So the black one should be ground. Out. So one of the other two wires should be power for low or high. Okay. My yellow wire, that's my ground. The other one should be power. Let me try to turn it on. So it's turning on. Right now it's all turning on, even my switch is off. So what I can say about this is either my motor is shorted and it's not working. So I have a new part. Let's see if it happens in a new part. So this is my new part. Let's see. So I don't know why this third wire has constant power. Let's just double check and see our schematic, what's going on. I can see that our new wiper motor is working fine. So as you can see on our schematic, our third wire is always showing constant power, but I don't know what's the switch for inside the wiper motor. But on our middle wire, where the black is ground, and when we hook up or where we back probe it, when the old wiper was constantly on, so what I'm thinking it was shorted inside. But when we plug in our new wiper motor, it's working fine and it's switching off and on. So let's do the replacement. So first we just have to remove the arm. Remove the cover. So the nut is using plug on, so use socket. using penetrating just to loosen up the arm. And just play around with it if you can. So when especially doing like this kind of job, sometimes this one got stuck. So what I did, I was just playing around. Just be patient and it will come off. So that's good. We don't have to cut anything. And next is we have to remove this cover. And we have to remove this nut here. And after that, after removing that nut, you have to remove the 10mm here that holds the motor assembly. And as I can feel it, this motor's feeling hot, like for sure this is seized and shorted inside. So let me remove it and put the new one on. So on this nut we can use 22mm socket or an open end wrench socket, open end wrench or adjustable wrench. So now I just hand tight the wiper arm because it could be it's not aligned properly. So let's verify it's working. Let me turn this on. Wait, I didn't plug. So let me turn it on. So as you can see there, it's my wiper arm working fine. Low. That's good. So that's it, guys. I'm just gonna put everything back together, but overall that's how we check if our rear wiper is now working. We check for power and ground to make sure if it's our control, a motor, or a switch problem, or a wire problem. Thank you guys, see you next time.